Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your AirPods Pro are paired and show as connected on your iPhone or Mac. This prevents wasted steps. Next, make sure firmware is up to date and device volume isn't muted because changes won't register otherwise. Decide which control method you'll use: touch controls on the stem, Siri voice, control center, or accessibility volume sliders, so you can focus on one workflow. Once chosen, position your device or wrist for immediate input and proceed to adjust controls precisely. You now perform the actual adjustments. For quick changes, open Control Center and drag the volume slider while your AirPods Pro are active. This gives fine, continuous control. If you prefer voice, press and hold a stem to summon Siri and say precise values like set volume to 50%. On Apple Watch, use the digital crown for small steps. This is helpful when subtle tuning is required. Make sure headphone accommodations are enabled if you need frequency-specific boosts. They change how volume feels. You finish by testing playback at multiple levels and with different audio to confirm changes took effect and both ears balance correctly. If controls are unresponsive, reset your AirPods Pro by placing them in the case, closing, waiting 30 seconds, then repairing. This often clears firmware glitches. If problems persist, check the app's internal volume, move away from Wi-Fi/Bluetooth interference, and reboot your source device. One key tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on quickly isolates pairing problems without deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.